Make a great choice today with the 2017 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, front passenger knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, power windows, tachometer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.